Mr. Boy is talking to you. In this video, I want to teach you how to make a perfect coffee with a delicious taste for yourself. These are Arabica coffee beans. You have to try it at least for one time. It has a very delicious taste if you know how to make it. For making this coffee, it's needed to grind some coffee. We grind 17 grams of Arabica coffee beans. For grinding, we must use a scale. Then add coffee to single shot portafilter and with use of needle tool combine the grinded coffee. Then use a coffee leveler to make a flat surface and then press the grinded coffee with temper. Spray some water on grinded coffee. Now press the coffee machine button. To pour out some water, we need to make this coffee with water stream. Here is the most important part. We will get the coffee's extract. For getting Arabica's extract, you need to do it for 26 seconds. And here is the best coffee you can have out of Arabica coffee beans. I will be happy if you like the video so that others can watch this video too. And at the end, if you want to know how to bake these delicious cakes, if you like it, click on this video.